and the framework gives the levels. So all the framework is connected with all the levels, and there is a linear progression between the framework and the levels. Although these are a linear progression, but the satisfaction requirement profile is really 6 levels that the business product framework requirement profile can relate to it. And so the user requirement profile can relate to the satisfaction requirement profile. So if I start, I can give a feedback of the CA1 to improve or decrease, and the other categories if I want. But the satisfaction requirement profile will give the levels and their processes, internal processes, to the FRP, and then so it's really a sustainable life cycle, and I could know the satisfaction for the end user. So I will start here and always improve by increasing or decreasing, increasing value or decreasing value for the, let's say, COVID-19. And at the end, if it's COVID-19, I want the S1 equals to 0. But if it's a Volvo EV, I want the S1 to be 70%, 90%. Okay, the user satisfaction technique approach to the production and use of key performance indicators stress the need for satisfaction of user satisfaction objectives and e-marketing business strategy, even if what is being monitored is the implementation of a particular product or specific group of users. Then it is critical that the key performance indicators are designed to cover the full spread of product and specific user importance indicator, which is the life cycle of the e-marketing environment. For example, if the business focuses on financial strategies, then the user satisfaction process classification framework implications between the business and the users are calculated not only one KPI of business or the user satisfaction can drive the user satisfaction process classification from satisfaction approach. If the key performance indicators are looking only at overall organizational performance, then a purely financial focus can both lead to missing critical information on the performance and badly distort what is seen to matter, meaning fuzzy semantics. How many KPIs, it doesn't matter. The KPIs should have reasoning. Yeah, let's take the conclusion. One very important thing to know before getting into the subject of key performance indicators is that the business ability to use KPIs is a direct function of the web analytics application to achieve user satisfaction objectives. Therefore, it is empirical to relate the business with the product satisfaction of the user and vice versa, as shown in the marketing environment. There is some KPIs are more important than the others, so I should have inference. And everything changes with time, dynamics contradicts with each other, especially if first say was the company strategy and the second is the user satisfaction objective life cycle. And two more saying for more complexity. The greater are the number of areas a concept spans, the better it is, as in user satisfaction or product requirements, and their improvement, resources, and The others say not everything that is countable counts, and not everything that counts is countable. As an user satisfaction process classification framework, keep performance indicators weight and score. Reasoning. This in turn leads to user satisfaction through performance discussed between user satisfaction objectives and business e-marketing strategy. I don't think there is something I didn't talk about first. Now, of course, yeah. Starting from this paper, I think I'm going just to reference myself. And, of course, the ISO, I didn't have the ISO here, myself and the ISO and the IEEE seal book, which I really want to work on it, but I'm fed up and I really don't want to. I don't know why I started to make these videos, but as I said, this is science, and nobody really understood that this is the first ever generic framework that could relate all. Actually, my end game objective is to put all sciences under one big framework: natural sciences, finance, law, humanities, everything, so I can have an earth environment, since the earth is a successful, sustainable case study. So I put all the processes in one framework and adjust it to sustainability state, and understanding how the cross-disciplinary and interdisciplinary connections, therefore we will have a satisfaction quantitative simulation basis for a planet success life cycle, or life cycle success, sustainable life cycle success. And then we could, I don't know, but it's the first step. That's why my channel will always be called True Science to True Sciences. If the Earth is a sustainable case study, then we could apply this sustainable case study on other planets. But each planet will be having different unique lifetime and life cycle. So the Earth is true science to true sciences, which is different planets. Thank you. I hope to see you again. And assalamu alaikum.